I'm not into so much of putting hot machines and everything on my hair, and as if my hairs are very scanty, little thin also, so it's very dangerous also. Channel. I'm Savita Sharma, and this today's unboxing. This gift, I was been waiting for it, and now we're gonna open it in front of you, and let's see how this comes out. This channel is about my traveling experiences, my some skincare products, what I feel I should share with you guys, and you know, I love to do makeup also, so I have lots and lots of makeup, and I buy from some online shopping nowadays, so online shopping only, and of course, whoa, here it is. So this is AGARO hair straightener. I've been waiting for this because my old one doesn't work now properly, and you can see my hairs are not that straight. It's like curly from down, and sometimes if you have to go to party and all, you need it. So this one is not so expensive one. I will give you all the details in the description box also, and this is not. But this is purple color. I ordered pink actually, but this is purple. Okay, let me open. Or should I return it back? Because I don't know purple color. I wanted pink, and I ordered pink also. There's a bill around it. Okay, let me open this first. Let's see now, whatever it is, we have to use it because I have to go to a party. Not exactly party also, it's just in Christmas, small children's, a little bit, get together, like Christmas party sort of, but it's not a proper so many people. No, it's just few 5 to 6 children will be there. Okay. Oh my god. Oh yay! It's pink. Well, outside it is purple color and inside it is pink. Okay, maybe some. I hope this is pink color. Okay, I wanted this color, and this is very small and so traveling type. Like I can wherever you can carry it in the suitcase, and this is very light also. Yeah, I can feel it, and this is very going to be. The way I hardly use any hot stuff on my hair, like straighteners, curlers, and all, because it's not good for our hair. And especially I have scanty, thin hair, so it's really not good. We should always spray the hair protector, and then we should apply. We have plugged in, and this is where the light comes, like red color. You can see if I on it, and then we need a brush to brush our hairs. We will take a little bit, and then I have made a homemade spray because my spray got over, but we can buy another spray, and otherwise you can just put a lemon, some lemon juice and little water and little bit aloe vera gel, and you can make this gel also, the spray, so that this sets it up, and it's better to use a spray because too much hot. Now we will just do this, and now let me check it out. It has 180 maximum temperature. It's very lightweight and very small also. So we'll just gonna use, oh god, this is gonna use. Okay. Wow, this is good. This is very hot also. See, I can feel. Whoa. Wow. One more time, if you want a more straight, like my hairs are a little bit curly, so I will do one more time, and this time I press it from here. You can see. Wow, see the difference? You can see the difference? Yeah, it's really coming out nice, isn't it? So I'm gonna do this side also, and very easy to do it also. You see the texture and the straightened it has come up. Yeah, I know there has not been a good haircut since long now. Do comment if you like my this look, and I'm ready. And it's such a beautiful shine also it gives, isn't it? And basically it's so good. I mean, it's so handy, and you can see this whole wire also 360 degrees survival cord is there, and this is so beautiful, very lightweight and easy to carry also. So I loved this product basically. I have also heard that we can do curls from here, curlers like spiral curlers. You know, we have to take our hair and we put it around here and then press it slowly, and it is a spiral curls. I've never tried it, but I will do it and see how it does. And by the way, I'm also gonna launch a new channel. Do subscribe, my friends, that channel too. I will give you all the description. But right now, bye bye, take care and enjoy. I have an mobile holder right now. I have just put this hair straightener over here. When it's hot, we can just always put it here. It's so lightweight that this is taking it so good. And this mobile, I don't use this holder also, but now it's been nice using. I can use it. That's very good.